The K&F Concept Black Mist filter promised to create a bloom, mystic effect, but also promise something like this on their website. Soften facial skin, wrinkles and pores. Really, K&F Concept? So today we have 3 K&F Concept, the Black Mist filter Nano-K version. Energy is holding the full effect, 1 by 1, half effect and 1/4 effect, and we're gonna put them in extremely different light situations so you can do an informed purchase and see which one is more your liking. Okay, let's do this?
Yeah.
So the first test will be backlighted. My favorite situation to use the diffusion filter. These filters are pretty damn cool, but there is a big problem with them that I have to tell you later. Now is backlighted with a fill light. Let's do this. K&F Concept says that the Black Mist filter will soften the pores and the textures of the skin. Let's test that. I'm gonna compare with no filter with the filter. O que que achas?
Tá fixe, mas eu adoro
Com o filtro.
Adoro.
Well then, the problem of these filters is that a lot of people don't like them. I had the problem that I do the photo shoot using this filter. I thought that the client would like it. She didn't like it at all. So to don't get that trouble, check if the person really likes this effect, okay? Before doing the photo shoot. So the Nano-K version is the entry-level one. If you want to see the Nano X Pro, I have a comparison video between these 2 filters, okay?